Introducing out of the red corner, weighing 61.2 kilos, representing GFC Kerala, bantamweight division. Let's make some noise for Shameeludheen.
शमीर देव आ रहे हैं.
Weighing 61.2 kilos, representing Team Akhil, bantamweight division, social media sensation. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise for Prashant Patel.
Alright, fighters, you know the rules. I expect the clean fight, okay?
It's going to be a banger.
Touch gloves, go back to your corner.
It's going to be a banger, guys.
Referee in charge for this fight is Akash. And a special thanks to Kumaru also.
Prashant taking the center of cage. Both the fighters very composed. Prashant slowly inching forward. Beautiful. It almost missed. A beautiful combination by Prashant. Shameeludheen is also calm. He's not rushing. He is also calm. Beautiful punch by overhand by Prashant. Timing was excellent. Both are very composed. A beautiful overhand. Very composed. Prashant is pressing well. He's setting up the overhand as if now. He's walking behind his jab. And Shameeludheen is constantly moving forward. He needs to show something. Or else Prashant is going to rampage him. But this is a crazy fight. Beautiful uppercut from Prashant. I'm like, he's quick. He's quick. He's touching and exiting out. Shameeludheen is trying to go for a takedown, but Prashant is going for the fences. Very composed fight. Prashant needs to exit from there. Shameeludheen is taking the back. Now Prashant is going for the takedown. Prashant is trying to get Shameeludheen coming on the back again. Prashant controlling Shameeludheen. Prashant is controlling. Prashant is on top. He's in half guard. Shameeludheen is trying to survive. Prashant is keeping his hips heavy and he's controlling him. You don't want to stay there while Prashant is on top of you. Shameeludheen is also doing the right work. He's trying to control Prashant's arm. But Prashant is trying to pass the guard as if now. Shameeludheen has the open guard. Beautiful punches. Prashant is trying to pass the guard. Shameeludheen is trying to control Prashant's head by pushing it away. But now Prashant is on the forward foot. Now Shameeludheen needs to work. He cannot be on a back foot always. Shameeludheen needs to work now. Shameeludheen keeping his hands up and going forward. Prashant is going for the Spencer's. He's opening. Prashant is just opening. They're waiting, they're waiting, they're waiting. A very composed fight. A beautiful uppercut by Prashant. I think he has tripped. I think he's injured, but still yet he's standing and he's fighting. Props to Shameeludheen. Shameeludheen. Another overhand by Prashant. Let's see how much that knee has told Shameeludheen, but Prashant is not stopping. He is pressing forward. A beautiful first round for the both fighters.
Insulting the red corner, Shameeludheen. Oh, this is an intense match. Ooh. Both me and Sai have left our commentary booths and are stuck up to the cage right now.
Prashant. Round 2, here we go. Let's see how this is going to turn. Will Shameeludheen come up with any game plan? Shameeludheen will come with any game plan, or Prashant's going to take control. I think Prashant will stick the same game plan.
Second round. Co-main event of Malla Yuddha 4.0. Here we go.
I like the Prashant feints and Shameeludheen gives a huge reaction. He's stepping back. I'm like, Prashant is not allowing Shameeludheen to enter inside. He is throwing bombs the moment he's closing the range. Absolutely, very good double leg takedown by Prashant. Prashant is Shameeludheen has recovered his butterfly guard, but Prashant has good hips. He's going to have a good base. Prashant is working from the top. Now he's almost putting pressure. And Prashant is having heavy hips and he's trying to take the control. I think Prashant is not holding him there. I'm like, Shameeludheen is holding the hands of Prashant. That's why he's not able to create the space. But Prashant has a really good pace. He's not allowing Shameeludheen to progress. He's keeping him there. Now Prashant is going to throw bombs. He's planning to posture up and throw bombs, but Shameeludheen is not allowing. Now he's throwing the bombs. Shameeludheen is nowhere. He's losing his balance. Shameeludheen get his composure back and start fighting back. Shameeludheen is a game man. He's taking all the beating, but yet he's coming back. And Prashant as well. He's not stopping. He's constantly pressing forward. And with the range management, Shameeludheen. Beautiful fight and game by both the fighters. Both of them looking at each other. They're trying to feint and go inside. Beautiful connect. Shameeludheen tried to shoot. Prashant needs to understand range. He's closing in. He's going for trying to get another takedown. Shameeludheen is trying to open the punches, but he's not understanding the range.
Final 10 seconds for round number 2.
The last few seconds, beautiful fight, guys.
Teams are getting a reaction from Shameeludheen. Now we await the third. Main is 5 rounds. 5 rounds. Here we are, third and final round of the co-main event of Malla Yuddha 4.0. Here we go.
Final round. Let's see who takes it. I think they'll give you it all out here. Prashant, he's been leading, and now I think Shameeludheen needs to pace up, else this is not going to go in his way. Shameeludheen is holding there. Prashant is holding a heavy hip and keeping him there. Prashant is keeping him there, punishing him there, having a good hips. Look at the head control of Prashant. He's keeping head right below Shameeludheen's head and control him. That's very important posture too. So make sure. Okay. But Shameeludheen has his butterfly guard. He can make use of that.
But even Prashant's hip control is extremely strong for Shameeludheen to do anything. The two main things to control a person, the head control and the hip control.
But Shameeludheen is showing heart. Referee warning not to hit back in the head for Shameeludheen. Shameeludheen is trying to work out from his guard, from his back. Prashant giving no openings. Prashant is trying to go there. Prashant needs to work there. If there is not much of work, maybe referee may stop it. I'm like make them stand up again. Prashant controlling him. Both the fighters need to work. They need to work, else referee may get them up. Right now, Prashant is trying to get some punches, dig in some punches. Beautiful hip control by Prashant, we are saying here. The base what Prashant is not allowing any space for Shameeludheen to open his hips or get his hips out. He's going to armbar. Now Prashant is again taking the base. Prashant needs to work. He needs to start punching him. Prashant is stalling him there. Both the players are stalling. They're not working much. But when it comes to control, Prashant is leading. They're slightly working. Referee is constantly saying.
From listening to Shameeludheen's comments that they are insisting that they keep the lock in for Prashant for one more minute until the fight ends.
Now Prashant is holding strong. And now the referee has seen enough. He is making both of them get up. Now let's see if Prashant can explode. It's a very good fight between Prashant and Shameeludheen, and I think Prashant has taken the lead and he has done enough to secure the win. Woo. What a win.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing your winner. Winner by judges' unanimous decision. And the winner comes from the blue corner, Prashant Patel.
It's a pretty dominant win.
Thank you so much, Prashant.
Very
Prashant.
dominant win by Prashant.
Prashant.
Almost forgetting. Guys, last year I had an injury. Because of that, I couldn't fight. It's been 1 year and it's good to be back. From here, going top.
Congratulations once again. Make some noise for Prashant.